Hey guys, Supra Mission 75 is live, and as always, I've aced the mission quizzes for you so you can claim your mission credits. Now let's get started. How can a builder design their token economy in a Supra container? In Supra containers, builders have total control over how they design their token economy. This means builders have the freedom to test out different setups to see what works best for their game or ecosystem. It's all about giving the builder control. What can a gaming studio create within a Supra container? A gaming studio using Supra containers can create an entire ecosystem, not just a single app. They can build a universe of games where different apps are connected. For example, players can earn rewards in one game and use them in another, all within the same system. The studio can control how everything works together, allowing for cool interactions between games, items, and tokens. It's like building a connected world where all parts work together under the studio's control. What makes Supra containers unique compared to traditional layer 2s? What makes Supra containers different from regular layer 2 systems is that they can easily work with each other and with the main Supra network. This means that all the dApps can share stuff like tokens and information without getting stuck or needing extra tools to connect. Imagine if you had a bunch of toy blocks that could easily snap together to make cool structures. That's how Supra containers work. They fit together nicely and can use resources from all the other containers, making it easier for builders to create awesome stuff. So that's it. Supra Mission 75 done and dusted. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Supra updates, mission quiz answers, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. If you haven't set up your token claim plan for the Blast Off airdrop campaign, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. XENEA just launched their airdrop, so check out the link in the description and start claiming your gems every day. If you haven't joined the Center Testnet, check out the video at the top of your screen to help you get started. And don't forget, we're still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up for some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep acing your Supra Mission quizzes, stay safe, and I'll see you in Supra Mission 76.